Firefly Aerospace has signed an agreement to launch its Alpha rocket from the Esrange Space Center in northern Sweden. The Swedish Space Corporation (SSC) and US space transportation company Firefly Aerospace announced a collaboration for Firefly's Alpha rocket to be launched from the Esrange Spaceport starting in 2026. The launches will take place at the Esrange Launch Complex 3C, with pad modifications already underway according to SSC. The partnership aims to support commercial, civil, and defense sector customers from both the Swedish and Firefly sides. The inaugural Alpha launch is scheduled for 2026, with the new complex set to support commercial customers in the broader European market and enable tactically responsive space missions to further national security for NATO countries. Esrange has been operational since 1966, primarily facilitating rocket launches for microgravity and atmospheric research. In January 2023, it opened expanded orbital launch facilities. We are thrilled to announce this historic collaboration that will have a significant impact on the global launch market, not only in Europe and the US, said SSC CEO Charlotta Sund. This collaboration reduces the gap in existing orbital launch sites in Europe, strengthens the transatlantic bond between Sweden and the US, and offers unique space capabilities in line with Sweden's NATO membership. We look forward to providing this competitive and proven launch service from Esrange in Northern Europe. The announcement comes just days after Firefly stated it would begin launches from Wallops Island, Virginia, instead of Cape Canaveral as previously planned. Firefly also recently signed a multi-launch agreement with Lockheed Martin, extending through 2029. Bill Weber, CEO of Firefly Aerospace, stated, "As we continue to see increasing demand among domestic and international launch customers, the future of spaceflight requires more orbital launch sites worldwide." Firefly is incredibly proud to partner with SSC and to be the first US company operating out of continental Europe. Together, we are unlocking a long-awaited capability for the European satellite market and inviting those waiting to fly with us using our flight-proven Alpha vehicle. Firefly is also set to conduct its first launch since December. On July 2nd, the Alpha rocket will launch 8 CubeSats for the Alana 43 educational launch of Nanosatellite's 43 mission, part of NASA's CubeSat Launch Initiative (CSLI). During a flight at the end of 2023, Alpha carried a technology demonstration payload for Lockheed Martin. However, the Alpha upper stage failed to reignite, leaving the satellite stranded in an orbit that caused it to re-enter the atmosphere within a few weeks. The Alpha rocket is capable of carrying up to 1,030 kilograms to low Earth orbit. Last month, SSC signed an agreement with South Korean rocket company Firefly Aerospace. This marked SSC's first orbital launch partnership, with Parige's Blue Whale 1 rocket set to launch from Esrange starting in 2025. Europe has access to orbital launches via French Guiana, which hosts Ariane and Vega launches. However, now Esrange in Sweden and Ondia Spaceport in Norway provide orbital launch capabilities from mainland Europe. Saxavord Spaceport in Scotland's Shetland Islands is also set to host orbital launches by the German company Rocket Factory Augsburg.